Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to a kind of different lecture today. This is sort of like a test slash first video recording to see how the pre-recorded lessons will work with our classes. And so for this week, our assignment is to answer a couple of questions just about some related stuff like questions on how you've been dealing with COVID-19, and for us in science class, some questions about what we ended off on just before the break, which was electric charge. And so I think for most of these videos, if I am using Google Classroom, I'll just use Science 9 Block A for example. Although you would do this on your own Science 9 block. So if you're in Block B or Block D, of course, you would be seeing Science 9 Block B or Block D there. But what you're going to do is you'll see it in your stream once I actually post it. But right now it's just a draft. So if I go to classwork, you'll see this weekly learning plan 1 assignment. And there are 2 attachments. So the first attachment is your Science 9 weekly learning plan instructions, and in here you should look at this document first and read through it. The activity or assignment for this week is tell you 3 different ways COVID-19 has impacted your life and state the law of electric charge, which we did go over before the break. If you do need a hint for question 1b, state the law of electric charge, you can go to this link here. And this is a link to the PhET simulation that we explored before the break. And here you can play around with the charges and from that hopefully be able to figure out or at least support the law of electric charge. Okay, so that's where the link brings you. And in terms of where to actually answer these questions, you're going to answer that in the second attachment here, which is your Science 9 Weekly Learning Plan 1 assignment Google document. And if you click on that, each of you will have your own individual Google document to fill out. So you can type in your answers, like your name and all of that, on your own document here. So for example, if I were to answer question 1a 3 different ways, I cannot go to my gym anymore to work out. I cannot go to my favorite restaurant. For example, right? And then to answer the law of electric charge, you put your answer here. And then on your screen, it'll look a little bit different. Here in the top right for you, it'll say turn in or submit. And that's something that you'll want to do once you actually finish the assignment. Now, because this is on Google Docs, you don't have to save, it saves automatically. And the instructions for submitting your assignment once you are finished are all attached here in the weekly learning plan 1 instructions. Okay, so I have like this step-by-step process to submit, as well as with some example pictures so you can follow along there. But pretty much what you have to do is answer those questions and then submit it to the classroom into me by no later than this Sunday, which is April 19th, I believe. Yeah, it says the due date right here, 11:59 p.m. on April 19th, 2020. So that's the latest you could submit it. Okay. So I know I haven't tried any writing yet, but let's just see how this pre-recorded video goes. If the audio is okay, if you can see the cursor moving around, if the video is too laggy, please send me an email or let me know by replying in the Google Classroom. Thank you so much.